Let's make lemon curd rice. 1 cup boiled rice, half cup curd, some white salt, a pinch of black salt, a teaspoon of ghee. Mix it nicely. So you can increase or decrease the quantity of curd. Let's prepare tadka for curd rice. A tablespoon of ghee, half teaspoon rye or mustard seeds. Cook till it crackles. Some curry leaves and some green chili. Cook for few seconds. Tablespoon of soaked चना दाल. तो 2 से 3 घंटे सोक कर ले इसमें ऐड करने से पहले. So just cook for another 1 minute. Tablespoon of cashews, roast them. Fried red chilies. So the tadka is ready. Add tadka on the top. Add half a teaspoon of lemon on the top. Your amazing lemon curd rice is ready. So you can have this during your weight loss journey.